We're gonna look around the food forest in the evening and see if there's any cool wildlife around. I haven't really seen what it looks like after a rainy evening in a while. And sometimes the plants look really cool in the way that they shine in the light. Look at that. This is the alama. Sometimes the reflection of the light looks really cool. The avocado tree, look at the leaves. Mango looks decent. And banana. And there's the avocado. See how it looks over here. You can hear the frogs in the background. Let's go see if we can find any gators in my pond. Think there's any gators over here? Feel like Steve Irwin coming over here. See if we can find anything. Huh? There's a lot of water around. Hear all the frogs. This whole thing is full of water. It's actually pretty soothing in the evening listening to these guys. There's so many of them. And then there are going to be so many tadpoles around. You can see all of the water. I'll have to show it in the morning how it looks. It looks pretty cool. It's hard to see it, but all of this is water. You could hear all of the frogs. This is my normal evening in the summers. After the rain comes through, it's pretty nice. And then you'll hear all of them in the evening jumping around on the on all the trees after they grow up. Some of them are little tree frogs, but I couldn't tell you all of the different frogs that are inside of there. If you could hear it just by the sound of it, you can let me know. But there's so many different varieties that are hopping around my yard. Looks pretty cool in the evening. Some of the reflections. Yeah, the avocado trees look pretty cool in the evening. And the katuk plants that I put around. And oh, this banana looks pretty cool. Nice shiny leaves. Almost looks variegated, but that's definitely not variegated. Let's check on it. Everything else over here. See if we could catch anything lurking around in the evening. By the way, there's no alligators over there. I mean, it's just a little bit of water that collects there over the winter and the summer during the rainy season. And this area right over here used to be the same way. I try to get into this area. This used to all be underwater the same way. What? Look at this. I could step over here. I could walk right into it. There's no standing water. It's pretty cool. Oh, look at these beauty berries. Sometimes it's pretty cool seeing how things reflect. Cecropia, the leaves, the under leaves of it look pretty cool. Check out that. And all of these Sesbania looks pretty cool. screw pine. Grow Michelle banana over here. Yeah, the banana leaves look cool in the evening, and it kind of looks silvery. By the way, it's like, I don't know, upper 70s right now, very high humidity, and probably a lot of mosquitoes out right now, but I have sweatshirt and sweatpants on because I don't want to get bit up by any mosquitoes, because I know they're out here right now. I mean, I just showed you that pond over there, and if you think there aren't any mosquitoes right now, then, I mean, you could probably see them flying around. But the leaves of the bananas just look really cool. I haven't really seen any cool moths around. Sometimes I could see them. The leaves look really cool in the evening. The Senalata. Yeah, in the evening these guys kind of close up, but this guy does seem like it's like it opened up right now, like their leaves are open, but they do close up like this too. So sometimes I see, like, when it's really hot, or sometimes in the evening I see them close up. It's pretty cool. It's pretty interesting to see how the plants just react in a normal daily basis. Gotta see them at different times. Bananas, the longans. There's some fruits on this longan right over here and in here. They're not too far away from picking some fruits. And of course there has to be a plane that flies over right now, but everything is very calming here except for that one plane. Just wanted to look over here, see how things are in the evening. Oh yeah, the bananas over here flowering, and the bamboo looks really cool. Hong Kong orchid tree. Yeah, the underside looks just like silvery leaves. It looks pretty cool in the evening. Don't really get to see it like this unless you take a light to it. And dwarf ponciana looks pretty cool. There's a lizard. I always catch these guys sleeping on the trees. It's probably the only wildlife that I've seen. I have a few that hang out in my patio. And the funny thing is, the lizards are very territorial. You'll see them in the same exact spots every single day. Well, they got their little spots. And if you wanted to see the little green lizards, grow a canopy. They're green. They want to be near where the leaves are. And then the brown anoles are going to be on the trunks of the tree. And I see all the green guys up here. But you probably miss them because you have no canopy layer, and they like to stay about eye level. So most people don't have things that are eye level and higher. I always see them higher up. So you gotta look up and you'll start to see them. But if you don't have anything in the canopy, then they don't have anywhere to go to. And hide with their nice green camouflage. So if I start to see some of them, I actually did see some of them. They hang out over here in this canopy, but I haven't gotten a chance to catch them because of how quick they are and how nice they do camouflage in the green canopy. The moringa looks pretty cool. Of course, there's some. It was very quiet until all of these random planes like just decide to go around. Looks pretty cool over here. Alright, and I just wanted to share how it looks in the evening and some of the cool leaves that have some cool things that they do at night. I think it's pretty interesting the way it looks. We'll go out this way. And you have a great evening. One last look at the cool avocados and bananas.